It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
And what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's been a little minute, man. You know, last video we did was on the Crocs. Speaking of the Crocs, man, I got them joints on right now, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch joints. Between those and my Yeezy slides, that's what I've been rocking a lot. Been doing a lot of homework, almost finishing up this last class for the year before I hit in the summer vacation. But y'all, there's a lot that's been going on in the sneaker community, man. We got StockX versus Nike, you know what I mean? And hey, I don't know, that's a whole nother video. I've been watching some of the videos, seeing what other people have been saying about the whole situation, and you know, I got my own point of view and everything. I was talking to my broski twin yesterday about that joint, and I just like the way that, you know, we was talking about, we put that junk together, and it you know, a lot of different things do make sense. You guys don't know what's going on. You know, Nike said they purchased some shoes from StockX and they were counterfeit, but you know, fake, so to say, should I say. They weren't legit. They weren't it. That's not what today's video is about. Huge shout out to Nike, man. Hit, dog, hit. It sucks because I live on the West Coast, man. My shoes take a minute to get here. I can't do, you know, overnight shipping, 2-day shipping. I don't get that option no more, you know. But huge shout out to Nike. I'm glad that they didn't send it in a very revealing box. First pair in the collection. Second pair I had on the channel as far as a DB. And this one right here, this is my first DB. You know, huge shout out to Nike for the draw. I've been getting lucky with a lot of the Nike releases this year, man. Nike been showing your boy love, knock on wood, you know what I'm saying? Pause, I don't want to lose none of that. But we'll go ahead, we're going to crack these bad boys open. Which one do you guys, I don't know, man. The thumbnail probably saying what it is, so I don't even know, man. But if the thumbnail has it, you guys already know. If I don't do it, then, you know, it is what it is. But we're going to pop this lid. We ain't going to show you nothing right there. But y'all let me know which one y'all think it is. And y'all, these things, look, you can, woo, bruh. Yes, Lord, y'all. The smell is immaculate, G. Yes, Lord, y'all. Sir. Woo, y'all see them, man. We got the DB5s, y'all. The low top DB5s. We're gonna go ahead and get the other one up out the box and get straight into it, you dig? If you're new to the channel, you already know your boy is big time box gang shouty, so it's super dope to finally get one of these boxes inside the collection and have it inside the sneaker dungeon. Let's go ahead and turn the camera around. We're gonna give a full detailed review on these joints, you dig? So starting off with the box, we getting hit with that DOERNBECHER freestyle box. We've seen this box over the last couple of years. It's super fire, super clean to me. First one in the collection. Official name and colorway is the Air Jordan 5 Retro Low DB. Hyper Royal Orange, Royal Hyper Orange, size 10.5. Suggested retail on these bad boys was $200. Now, you know they haven't been putting it on there. Now, you guys can pause this right here if you guys want to read everything about Michael Wilson. He was diagnosed with Krabbe disease, and right here you guys can see we have the dope tissue paper. Now, this shoe is pretty much built up on the fact of the love that he has for sharks, the love that he has for airplanes, and then the love that he has for macaroni and cheese. All of this being put into this shoe, you guys can see all of it. First and foremost, you know, you got the shark teeth on the Jordan 5. Then you get the hits with the shark eye on the outer panel. You have a Nike check on the inner panel. When it comes to looking at the actual toe box of this sneaker, you have the hits of the macaroni and cheese, the noodles right there. You guys can see that, as well as you have the hits up there on the collar area of the sneaker. Then you guys can see we have the take flight. We have the MDW, the initials on the back of the sneaker with a red Jumpman. Getting hit with green, you're getting hit with orange, you're getting hit with the red. You kind of have like an off-white sail type vibe, because it's not like a true white, I feel like, when you're looking at the actual sole or the midsole of the sneaker. Now here's a close-up so you guys can see that macaroni time that we got going on. And then of course you have the red stitching with the translucent sole right there in the front. You guys can see you do have the blue laces that come in them. I like the fact that you have that hard like vibe for the macaroni macaroni, and then the lace lock being that orange to contrast it. Now when it comes to the inside of this sneaker, it is a little bit thinner than what you normally see with the padding for the lows. Now these do have a Velcro patches that come with them to go on the tongue of the sneaker, because the tongue of the sneaker you can interchange it. You get with that flame head, that's what I'm gonna call it. You have the hourglass, you get hit with the Air Michael Wings logo, and then you also get hit with the shark. I think that all these tabs are pretty dope. If you ask me, I think you could probably put like 2 on there if you wanted. Now on the bottom of the right shoe, you guys can see we have the shark, and he has the macaroni. Then we have the hourglass on the bottom of the left. Now you kind of have like a Wings logo pattern going along the inside of the sneaker. And then on the left shoe on the inside, you have that flame head with the skull. And then you have a Jumpman with the yellow insole on the other one. Air Michael behind the tongue. You guys can see we have that pull to eject tag right there. I think that they did a good job with it, throwing in everything that he loves as far as airplane, sharks, and macaroni. You couldn't ask for a better DB, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the full detail review and look at these Air Jordan 5 DB5s. I just think that the way that they brought it together, you know, Michael getting to put all the little touches that he wanted on there, having the macaroni, you know, hits going around up there on the blue right here by the ankle piece, and then also down here, you know, getting that on the toe box, you get him with that little macaroni time, and then also having this part right here with the macaroni. I thought that that was a very nice touch, you know, switching it up, throwing something right there behind the netting. You got the little shark eyes, and then on the inner panel you getting hit with that Nike check. I thought that that was nice. His love for planes, having that take flight right there, and then just having that, you know, right here you got the pull to eject and everything. I think that they did a very good job with this sneaker. You know, Doernbecher shoes, all the proceeds go towards, you know, the Doernbecher Hospital, and I think that this is always a dope touch for them to do. I'm super happy that I was able to get this pair. It is a different, you know, it's a little bit different because the colors, you know, it got a lot going on with the colors and everything like that, but I'm really happy to finally have one in my collection. For people that might be Florida Gator fans, they're probably loving these joints. I can see people matching these up with like a Gator jersey or something like that during NCAA football and all that stuff. But I think that this is definitely something unique. It's different. It has a good representation of what it stands for. It's a signature shoe to represent how Michael feels, and putting all that together in this shoe right here. So huge shout out to Michael for creating this low top DB5. I'm glad that I hit on this low top DB5. Y'all already know that this ain't my first walk in the park with the lows. I mess with the low top 5s. You know, I got the alternate joints. I got the Knicks. These kind of give off Knick vibes to me, just with the blue colorway. You know, maybe that's why I really vibe with these really hard, but you know, it's different. You got the patches, the interchangeable patches that you can put on the tongue, having the Velcro tongue, little hang tag right here. The last low top 5 that I got with a hang tag would have been the Chinese New Year's, and I just like the fact that you can switch it up. But I'm gonna have to come correct when I'm stepping in them though, you feel me? I'm gonna have to come correct when I'm stepping in them. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys hit on any pairs of the DBs that came out the other week? Y'all already know I got a pair, got another first coming to the collection. I probably should get those in the mail either tomorrow or either on Saturday, because it's Thursday today. I got these yesterday and I was working late, so I wasn't able to get the video out yesterday, so I'm hoping to probably drop this video and edit it today on Thursday. If not, I'll drop it tomorrow on Friday. It really just depends. I want to do it on feet and knees, but it's been raining outside and the weather just hasn't been doing too good, and I hate doing on feet inside, so that's just how your boy is. But y'all already know, man. Stay tuned to the channel. Comment down below if you guys picked up any of the DBs. I will spin the pictures for you guys. Until the next video, I hope you guys enjoyed the full detailed review and the breakdown of the sneakers. Y'all already know, man. Make sure you guys head over to Instagram, follow your boy DaRetroWizKid. Till the next video, man. Peace, love, and Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros, and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, they're stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga still kill it. put you down. The Retro Wiz Kid.